guys, I'm back again, and honestly I don't have a lot of time, so today we are going to unbox the Styletone box. I already opened it since, you know, it takes forever for me to do that. We got the little booklet right there, and then over here, box is empty. It's basically the entire package from the inside. Now, why am I in a hurry? Well, let me tell y'all. I'm celebrating my nephew's and my boyfriend's birthday today because they're like one day apart, and everybody's gonna come over at my place. So I got like 20 people coming over in any freaking minute, and I need to film this because it's already overdue. So that's why we're gonna rush this. Okay, so let's grab probably the biggest thing out of the little satchel, which is from what beauty? May Mom Beauty? I have no idea. It's iFix Black Magic First Aid for Tired Eyes, specially formulated eye masks. Oh, okay. It refreshes, it firms, it lightens, and there's fine line reduction. A special treat for tired eyes after that big night out. 15 minutes of heaven while iFix Black Magic rejuvenates the delicate skin beneath your eyes. It sounds very, very promising, and I do see that there's like plastic, like this foily thing over here. I'm not really sure if I can get it out, so you will need to give me a minute because I can see that I'm completely reflecting y'all. But this is what that little box looks like. Okay, honestly, it's gonna take me too much time to get it out of the box, so I'm just gonna show it in the booklet. See, this is what it looks like from the inside, and I'm just gonna assume that we got 1, 2, 3 packets, so 3 uses out of this. It is clearly a full size because in the Styletone box, everything is always a full size, and it costs 14 euros and 50 cents. Okay, up next, we have something from Hot Makeup, which is the Infinitely Matte Lipstick. Wow, okay. Box is very reflecting, so let me, of course, get it out. Pray for not a brown color, or pray for not a brown color, and it's a brown color, god damn it. Okay, so it's very basic, honestly. There we go. This is what that looks like, and over here is the color, and it is a brown tone color. Son of a bitch, I'm just gonna say it. I'm so over these colors. I'm sorry. I know I'm complaining every video about brown colors, but maybe it's a freaking sign for these companies to do something about it. Okay, so let me check out the booklet. It's over here. There were 4 different, okay. Over here it says, hold on. Hot Makeup Matte Lipstick costs 19 euros. But let me just check. Yeah, there are 4 colors. However, each and every single color in this booklet is different from the color that I received. Okay, so let me show you guys the colors. See this color, what I have? It's not the orange one, because it's freaking brown, but it's not this brown, because this brown's more like a mauve, and this one is more of a nude. I got a complete brown tone lipstick. Is there a color? Shot color. Okay, there are no names here. I think I might have to contact Styletone about this because this is definitely not a color that I want. This is just basic hazelnut brown, and all of these are completely different colors from the one that I got. So yeah, I think I will contact them about this. Okay, moving on to Phase 0 Valentine's Coconut Eyeshadow. Oh no, please don't tell me this is a liquid eyeshadow. That would suck donkey balls. Okay. Little box is very, very pretty and beautiful. Hopefully, you know, camera will stop focusing on my face. But it's like, got this like from hot pink to like, you know, dark purple. It's very beautiful. Oh, that's very liquidy. Wow. I'm not going to open it clearly because it is a liquid eyeshadow, and y'all know I hate liquid eyeshadows. So I'm not going to use the sucker. This is what that little sucker looks like, and the color is there a color name? No, it just says coconut eyeshadow. Okay, well, let me check the booklet, what it says in here about that. It's over here. Phase Zero liquid eyeshadow costs 15 euros and you could get 4 different colors, and this one actually is correct because I did get this last pink tone, kind of a rose color. So y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway. Okay, up next is a pencil from Lord & Berry. It's the line/shade eye pencil in number 219, which is coffee, which is brown yet again. What the hell? Okay, this is what that little sucker looks like. However, when it comes to a brown liner, I'm not mad about it. I actually still needed like a dark brown liner. So I'm actually really good with that. The only brown that I hate is in lipstick form because I already have so many of them. I wouldn't hate it that much if I didn't have enough, but oh honey, I have enough. From Lord & Berry, the eye pencil, again, 4 different colors. You got, from the looks of what I can see, a brown, a black, a blue, and a dark green. I'm actually pretty happy with my brown color. It costs 16 euros. Okay, moving on to the very last item in here from Bebe Cosmetics. It's the eyebrow powder and in brown. And I can already tell you guys, this is too dark for my brows. Is it sealed? It's not sealed. So I can open it, but I'm not going to touch it. This is what it looks like, and I might be able to use it, but honestly, I won't. So you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway. Let's see in the booklet. Come on, come on. Yeah, it's over here. It's the Bebe Professional Eyebrow Powder. It costs, whoa, it costs 19 euros and 95 cents. It's actually a hell of a lot of money. Okay guys, that is it. Those were all of the items. What do I think about this month's box? It's not a bad box. I actually really enjoyed it. I am kind of, you know, bummed about the lipstick color. If it was any other color than this particular one that I got, I'd be really happy because the colors in the booklet, there were 2 like brown tone colors, but one was nude and the other one was more of a mauve brown. So I would have actually been happy with those, or the orange clearly, but not with this particular brown. That just sucks. Anyway, the eye patches I'm really excited for. I love the fact that this is a completely kind of a new item in this box. I'm sorry I'm looking down, but I'm like, you know, looking at the items in front of me. The liquid eyeshadow and the eyebrow powder you guys will be seeing in a giveaway. I don't use those, and I'm actually very happy with the Lord & Berry. Okay guys, I'm sorry I'm rushing this, but I need to shut this video off. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? Let's get the discussion started. Don't forget to check out my giveaway link in the bio, and you know what, if I forgot to put it in the bio, then just check out one of my previous videos. With every giveaway it says open in the end. That means that that giveaway is still going. It's open, you can enter, you name it. I'd like to thank y'all once more for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!